front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear next to your device and hit Forget next to connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!